In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge error code out of memory using a few simple troubleshooting steps that can help restore performance and get your browser working normally again. This issue can happen when Edge is overloaded by cached data, a graphics setting problem, outdated software, or a bad extension causing conflicts in the background. The good news is that in many cases, you can solve it yourself in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical knowledge. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, Edge stores temporary files to help websites load faster, but too much saved as data can sometimes cause strange errors like the out of memory message. To do this, open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then select Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data, then click Choose what to clear. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that may be causing the issue. Make sure cache and cookies are selected, and if you want to do a deeper cleanup, you can also clear other temporary browsing data. Once you're ready, click Clear Now and give Edge a moment to finish. After that, restart the browser and check whether the error is gone. If the issue still appears, the next step is to disable graphics acceleration. This feature is designed to improve performance by using your computer's hardware, but in some cases, it can create display or memory-related problems inside Edge. To turn it off, open Edge again and go back into Settings. Then search for System and Performance, or scroll until you find the section for System Settings. Look for the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. After changing this setting, fully close Microsoft Edge and open it again so the new setting takes effect. This one adjustment can fix browser crashes, freezing, and out-of-memory errors for many users. Next, you should check for browser updates. Running an outdated version of Edge can lead to bugs and compatibility problems, especially if websites or extensions have changed recently. To update Edge, click the three-dot menu again, hover over Help and Feedback, and then click About Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates and begin downloading the newest version if one is available. Let the update complete, then restart the browser if prompted. Keeping Edge updated is one of the easiest ways to avoid recurring errors and improve stability. If the problem is still not resolved, the final step is to toggle off all extensions to see whether one of them is causing the issue. Extensions are useful, but a single bad or outdated extension can put extra pressure on the browser and trigger memory errors. To test this, click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. From there, switch off every extension one by one, or turn them all off at once for a quick test. Then restart Microsoft Edge and try using it again. If the error disappears, you can turn the extensions back on individually to find the one causing the conflict. Once you identify the problematic extension, remove it or replace it with a better alternative. So to quickly recap, clear the cache and cookies, disable graphics acceleration, check for browser updates, and turn off all extensions to isolate the issue. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the Microsoft Edge out-of-memory error and get your browser running smoothly again. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Windows and browser troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.